Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home.
Open Pixart app. Now tap on this plus icon. Tap on this backgrounds. Now select the black color. Friends, the first step, go to tools, tap on crop. Now select the portrait. Now tap on tick mark. Second step, go to add photo and select this circle PNG. This is the PNG. Simply stretch it like this. Okay, perfect. Arrange it like this. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to add photo, select model image. This is a model image. By using this cutout tool, I already erased the background because it will take so much of time. Now arrange this model perfectly like this. Okay, arrange it in this portion like this. Perfect. Now tap on eraser, tap on erase, keep the size to 50 and opacity to 25 and hardness to around 10. Now erase on the border portions like this. Okay, erase it roughly on the bottom portion like this. It is perfect. Now zoom in and we have to erase it perfectly. Now tap on brush, give little hardness, little opacity, and you have to draw perfectly like this. It's perfect. Now tap on tick and zoom out, simply stretch out little bit. Perfect. Now go to FX, tap on colors and scroll it to left and select color gradient, this one, and keep this hue to 0, saturation to 100. Now tap on tick mark. Perfect. Now go to adjust, decrease little brightness, give little contrast, clarity little bit, saturation little bit. Now tap on tick mark. Perfect. Now go to add photo and select the text and birds PNG. The text PNGs, keep this bad aside. Now bring this burn perfectly in this portion here and bring this to be here and tap on this. Now go to blend and make it screen, zoom in, and you have to arrange it on the bottom portion here. Okay, like this. Bring this bone little down and this bad also little down. Perfect. And this to be, you can arrange it in this portion here. Perfect. Okay, now tap on tick mark. Next step, add further PNGs. Go to add photo and arrange this birds PNG in this portion here. Perfect. Now arrange these tattoos, one here and another one in this portion here. Perfect. You can arrange, decrease little opacity. Perfect. Now tap on tick. Next step, go to brushes, go to fourth one and select first one, and you have to give this shining, increase the size, second one here, third one here. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Now you have to save this image. Okay, you save this image, and now what you have to do is you have to tap on reverse arrow, tap on save draft. Now again select this black color. Now tap on tools, tap on crop, tap on portrait. Now tap on tick. Now we have to select this saved image. Go to add photo. This is the saved image. Simply zoom out and you have to stretch it like this. Tap on opacity and decrease this opacity to around 15. Now tap on layers, tap on duplicate, arrange it perfectly in this portion. Simply zoom out, tap on opacity, increase the opacity like this. Now go to blend, make it screen, perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, final step, go to tools, go to adjust, go to contrast, give little contrast and also clarity little bit. Tap on shadow, decrease little shadow. Now tap on tick. You can also further edit this hair in Toolwiz app or Autodesk app. Okay, now tap on save. Friends, finally our special tutorial is completed. See you in next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.